I have 1 tablespoon of butter. Make some garlic shrimp. That looks good. Definitely 4 tablespoons of garlic. Let's kill it. Melt it, brown up the garlic a little. We'll be right back. Wait for it. It's about 2 minutes. Just starting to get a little brown on it. Notice I took my shrimps and cut them in half. Time for some garlic shrimp. Alright, wait for it. And in less than 5 minutes, garlic shrimp. Let it sit there, cool off for a minute, and all the juices will reabsorb back into the shrimp. Yummy, right? It's my dinner. Love you.